guys, welcome to the channel.
There's not much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I want to make okro stew. I've been craving for banku and okro stew. I'm going to make some today. So let's go. I wanted to make the stew with a chicken, so I started to cut my chicken into two. It was a chicken thigh, and I wanted to add gizzard and fish. So I proceeded to cook my gizzard because gizzard takes a long time to cook. Then I divided my fish into two. This one is opama wane. I don't know the English name for it. Then I took out my vegetables that I'm going to use to steam the meat. So I was peeling off the ginger and onions. I just chopped everything into the blender and blended it. I put my bowl on fire, poured in my oil, then added my onion, and after that I added the meat, and I saw that it was too small for the food. I poured it into a different bowl, a bigger one. Now I poured the blended vegetables onto it, then added salt, then stirred very well. So I proceeded to blend my okro. I fried my fish, then I put the okro on fire and stirred. After cooking, I added it onto the stew, then stirred. Thank you for watching. See my next one. Bye.